Okay. So see here, now the next is database insert. Database insert. Okay. So in this, I will use the instance with account do insert ACC. This is a variable I'm using equal to, okay, equal to new account, equal to new account. And in this, I will use name equal to uh, database insert account. Okay, this is the record I want to create. Now, the normally then we are using a DML, right? This one insert. So now if I use, so how I can able to use a database DML? So simple guys, just you should have to remember this keyword database, database, okay, dot save, save result, save result and insert result. Okay. So this is a mm, keywords you should have to keep in mind equal to, equal to. Then what we need to insert here exactly? Database dot insert. Then what I need to insert here? What variable? This one variable. If I use like this, if I use like this, so here what will happen here? So in this instance, I'm going to create some 100 records, some 100 records. Okay. In this records, some records I'm not inserting the required fields. Okay, in 100 records, I'm not inserting the some required fields. So that purpose, the records are not storing. The all records are not storing. No. Okay, so if I use a normal DML and then I'm using 100 records, in some records I'm not using the required fields. So that's why the all records is not storing. So now when I use the database save result, this one, right? In 100 records, if it is, if I'm not storing anything also, if I'm not storing, if I'm not, some fields are missing, some fields are, I'm not inserting, that is a required fields, that fields are not inserting in that coding. When I use database, right, then those records, which is the required fields are there, those records, it will be stored. And which is the required fields is not there, right? Those records, it will be not stored. Means it will execute properly. It will execute properly. It will not throw the error when we are using database. So which records having a mandatory fields, those records it will store, and which records there is a no mandatory fields, right? Those records it will be not stored in the database. So this is a safe site. This is a safe site to us. Clear, everyone? Guys.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So now what I will do here, I will use system.debug, debug, insert, record successful. Okay, save it. Execute. If I go back, database insert account. Database insert account. Okay, clear everyone? Okay,
Yes, sir.
enter. So what is the next step? Database update. Guys, actually the mouse is not working. Yes. Database update. Okay, database update. Now what I will do, I want to update now. So can you tell me how I need to update? So same thing, same as it is. So how I can, so what I need to do for the update? So in this, just to check this data, where it's storing, database insert account is there, right? Where I'm going to store this one, guys. In this name, I have used database insert account, right? This one, where I'm storing in this variables, which variable I'm using this one. I'm storing this one.
Do insert account. Do insert SEC.
Do insert ACC. Okay, I'll copy this one. Dot name equal to. So I will use here update database insert account. Okay, I will use this one. I will use this one. If I enter, so how I can able to update now? So what is the update? Yeah. So this is normal DML. Now I want to use database DML. Simple. Copy, paste it. Insert is here, right? Just remove the insert, put update. Put update. And here, what will so here what it will so here what it will come here?
Update.
Yeah. Save this. Enter, update, and paste it. Save. Okay. If I execute, debug only. So two records it's created. Get errors, get errors, get errors. True. The success is true. See here. Get errors, get ID. Okay. It is getting ID to us. If I use the database dot save result, in this save result, what I'm getting, get errors is null. You can able to get right. Guys, understand here very carefully. When I use the normal DML, right, you can't able to get. Okay. When I use the database, right, then for example, this record having some issue. That issue it will populate inside the parentheses. If I got any kind of error, if I got any kind of error, then the record it will not stop, and the record it will be stopped. So this is a value for the database. Clear, everyone?
Yes,
Guys?
sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Now go back. Okay. Update. So now what is the next step? What is the next one? Insert update after database update. Guys, please wake up, guys. Guys, please wake up. Wake up. Upset. So in this only I'm having now in a to insert ACC. Now what I'm having the data? I'm having the data update, right? And copy this. I'm going to update now. Okay. Upset now. Dot name equal to database upsert account record. Okay. So in this I'm having already this record. In this variable, I'm having already this record. This is a new record I'm going to insert now. This is a new record I'm going to insert now. So what I will use for that DML? I mean, what I should have to use? Copy, upsert,
Upsert.
upsert. Okay, save, enter. So it's showing the error. What it is showing the error exactly? Mm, okay. See here, for the update, for the insert, we have used save result. For the update also, we have used save result. Now for the upset, so it's showing the what? It's showing the error. It's throwing illegal assignment from database.upsert to database.save result. So what does it mean here? I should have to use upsert result. I don't want to use save result in database upsert DML. Upset. Okay. So when I'm using the upsert, right, then I should have to use database.upsert result. So it's showing the errors. Hmm. Arre, arre, arre. Wait, wait. I should have to use here. Say. Okay. Now there is no error, correct? When I this is a update. This is upset. See here in insert, I'm using the same save result. Update also, I'm using the same result. Now in upset, I should have to change upset result because I'm using two here. I'm using here two records. This is one existing record and this is a new record. This is a new record. Clear, everyone? Uh,
Yes, sir.
Same.
Yes, sir.
Bha- Bhargavi, execute. So it's created. Okay. See here, it's created means this record, this record is getting okay. This is the old record. It's created false means it's not created in the upset. Each success equal to true means the second record is created. The second record is means the new record is created. This is a old record. Actually, we are having a old record. That's why it's not created to us. This is a new record is created. See here how it's a benefit to us when we use a database. Database upset. Okay. Now delete. Now delete. Delete. So what I will use now for the delete functionality? Same as it is. So now I'm not going to update anything. I'm not going to insert anything. Just I'm going to delete this functionality. So what I will use here for the upset, it will change. And for the delete also, it will change. Delete and delete. 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 Save this one. Okay. Now I'm deleting the functionality. If I execute right, go back means see understand here. Database upset account is there, right? If I click here again, there is no new record because why means I have deleted the data. I have deleted the data. Now the data should be come again. What I will do now, I need to do undelete. And to do now undelete. So here what I will use here, undelete, undelete, and undelete. Okay, save this one. Okay, database dot undelete. So when I execute, so that so the record it will be come to us again. See here again it will again it is populated. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Go back. So this is how we can able to do in the database DML, guys. It's you should have to practice for both DML also and database DML also. Okay. I hope you have done this one. Everyone, please practice this a lot. DML and database DML. And I'm going to assign some task as well. Please work on it for the DMLs and for the database DML. So you will get figure it out exactly what's happening on. What is the main thing in the DML and database DML. Okay. Again, I want to show you one thing. See, when I use a database DML in the sense, the old records, like the whatever the records having some error, those records it will not insert. Okay. And which records are particularly it's fine, those records it will be stored. So it's manage the execution part when you use the database. Like in the database also, we're having another one concept. Instead of database, we can use another one function that is called as a expression. That is called as a expression. So what is this here? Same, it will work as it is database only. Okay. When we use the expression, right? The whatever the error records, it will not store, and whatever the correct records, it will be store. Same as it is, it will work as a database only when you use the expression. Clear, everyone? Guys?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes.
So now expression now we are doing, which is so what I will do here, save point. For example, this is save point sp equal to, it's a class, guys. It's a one class. It's a standard class to us. So in above, I didn't create it, right? Any variable save point. It's a one class. Because why I'm using a save point? Because I'm using an expression here. I'm using an expression because in this whole class, if I got any kind of error, this save point should manage. This save point should manage the records. Okay. So save point equal to, so you can able to see this one expression as well as or save point and rollback. Save point rollback also you can able to use. Okay. New database dot save point. So first of all, we should have to insert this because whatever the error it will come, right, it will be controlled to us. Like they will check the error and they will rectify the error. Like they will not solve the error, but they will rectify the error very easily. It will work as it is the database only. So this is first way. So database is the first way, and save point is the second way to manage the execution part without throwing the error. Okay. Now here set save it. Okay. Enter. Now we are using a save point. Now we should have to use expression. Then how we can able to use the expression here? Expression means it's a try and catch expression when to use. So try like this it will come, guys. Okay. Try and catch it will come like this. Try accounts rollback equal to new account. I'm going to create one new instance here. Okay. I'm going to create a new instance. So what I will do now, I will comment this all things I don't want because I'm going to create new thing, right? Okay. It's a rollback. Try and catch we are using now. It's a new instance I have created. Now inside the new instance, I'm going to create a record one. Okay. The record is rollback demo, for example. It's a rollback demo. Okay. Try and catch. Now after this, enter, insert, rollback. Now in this, I'm not going to use any kind of database DML. Database DML. Now, why means I'm using a save point. I'm using a save point. So that's why I'm not going to use any kind of DML DML. So I'm using here normal DML. Normal DML. So understand here very carefully and understand the concept and understand the logic why I'm using this one. I'm using a simple normally. Okay. I'm not using anything here. Just I'm using a for the error. I'm using a save point. Okay. I'm using now try and catch. Okay. Rollback. Now the record is created. Now the record is created in backend. Okay. In backend. Now what I will use here integer a equal to 20. Okay. Integer b equal to 0. For example. Okay. Repeat. Now integer. Now I'm going to divide it this one. C equal to a divided by b. A divided by b. I'm using a division here for A and B. For A and B. So if I save this one, then what will happen here? Anything it will change? Mm, Identifier name is reversed. What? Try must have at least. Okay. The catch is not there. Okay. It's fine. Try is there. Okay. And after that, I have done this one. So what I need to do now? Catch. Catch. Okay. Exception. E is a variable, guys. Is a variable. Enter. Now I need to use here database dot database dot. Now what I need to get the data, like whatever in this concept, if I got any kind of error, so where the error I should have to store? I should have to store in the database rollback. In the database rollback. Okay, rollback. So we have stored the rollback. Now who it will control? In the rollback, I'm getting these are all the data, correct? These are all the data. Okay, I'm getting here. Sorry, this data I'm getting in the rollback. Now this rollback, if I use a try and catch, who is going to control to us? This one only, save point. It will control to us, save point. Okay, it is control to us, save point. Enter. Now into use system.debug. 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 Rollback accepted. Okay, rollback accepted now. Okay, now last thing. I need to use system.debug now. System.debug. System.debug. Uh, DML executed. Good. Save this one. So see here, it's showing okay. Yeah, already it's created, right? So why should I create this one? I don't want this one. Save this one. Is getting the error. What's the error? Missing quotation one character on string. Save. Okay. Now it's again showing the error here. Identifier name is rollback. Okay. Rollback text. Text. Uh, Method does not exist in a signature word text save point from the database. It's showing an error to us. Exception ex cp. Roll back. So what's the error here? Oh, save. Okay, now you can able to see any kind of error now. There is no error, correct? Guys, everyone understood, right?
Yes, sir.
If I execute this one, debug only, roll back, expected, it's fine. Go back. So see here, database up, like the data is not created. The data is not created to us. Why means it's having some error. It's having some error, so that's why the data is not created. Why the data is not created? Can you can anyone tell me?
Sir, you cannot divide. I mean, A by B is this thing, sir. Infinity. 20 by 0, you can't do it. So it's an
Hmm.
exception has occurred, and
Hmm. Okay.
the catch has been executed, sir.
Yes. So when we use right, when I execute right, then it will throw the error. Means what? Like what you will understand here. Like this is a logic is error. Then why it's still executed, but the output is not came, but it's executed properly. So what's the main idea here? Whenever you adding a save point in this save point, see if I use this save point right in above, if I use this try and catch and save point in first line, okay. So it will cover to all. It will cover to all guys. Okay. It will cover in this in this any concept of doing a error. Okay. In this method, in this DMS, anything is wrong, then it will stop to us the error. It will be stop and it will be executed successfully, but it will not throw the error. But whatever the DMLs are fine, those data only it will store in the database. Clear, everyone? Guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, just practice this one a lot. Okay. I will give some tasks, just do it. Okay, guys. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Hemant and Daya, uh,
Yes, sir.
are you getting right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Bhargavi, you?
Yes, sir.
Punit, you? Punit, actually, you know very well, I guess.
No, sir. I just know the basics of Java.
No, no, no. Actually, I'm not telling the expert one, but you are getting right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, bye, guys. See you.
Thanks.